So here you are.
I actually have no idea.
You have no idea? What about that?
Lips?
Yeah.
Yes. Is it to put something in it to use? To put on your lips?
No. This is amazing.
Yeah?
You put your lips inside.
No way.
Like this.
And what does it do?
And then your lips are even
Bigger?
Bigger, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, really. Try.
I put it in?
Yeah. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. I think it's too small for you. Okay. And you breathe. Yeah, like that. Okay. Stay with me.
It's useless for me. I can't do already.
Okay, you don't need that. Here we go. Ta-dam.
Oh, I know.
What is it?
You push on the button,
Yeah.
vibrates,
Yeah.
and
No, babe.
what's the use of it?
Well, this you do like that.
Yeah.
And normally it is for cats.
Okay.
You brush
The cat.
Yeah. You do like that when you have a cat. Okay, more. So seriously, this is for my face. For cleaning, for remove makeup, all this kind of stuff. Rolling. Come on, rolling. Okay, so we will do a test.
Okay. The table. That's a lot. Oh, this is really nice. You can continue. I like it.
Try that with your boyfriend. He will love that. Please believe me.
So I just wash my face and touch my skin.
Oh my
It's really
God.
soft.
This is like a baby.
Guys, bye. Okay, I keep that one.
Dance with me.
I have to dance with you?
Yeah, dance with me.
Should I dance?
Yeah, so I have two.
Okay.
So what is it?
It's massage.
Again, I
Wait.
Okay.
I have no idea.
Oh, come on. This is so easy. This is a vase.
For what?
For flowers.
Come on.
These are cups.
Okay.
For massage.
Massaging by your face.
Yeah. Well, I need some oil, please. Oil, please. Put on your face.
I put everywhere on my face.
Everywhere.
Okay.
Nipples also.
Talk to my nipple.
Okay.
You're obsessed with my nipple.
Tell me I need you. I'm not You keep me waiting, I'll sit contemplating alone. No way, my mind is racing with visions of you, don't you know? Yeah, you know, for you I would. I'd change my name for you if you want me to, yeah I could. Don't say that I'm the only one, like when we break up. My love, can you feel it, baby? Is it strong enough? Beating fast, 100 miles an hour, baby. My heart in overdrive. My love, can you feel it, baby? Is it strong enough? Beating fast, 100 miles.
Suction blackhead apparatus. What are your thoughts?
I feel like it would be practical if it actually worked, but ultimately it just kind of moved my makeup around.
That is true. And for me, even though it was pretty simple, it wasn't that user-friendly. I just sort of kept it on one spot for too long and it was almost starting to blister. So you really have to know what you're doing, even though it's a simple apparatus. You could really end up damaging your skin.
Yeah, this is a definite loss and not a boss because I feel like it's a gimmick. It's a good idea, but it turns out it doesn't do what it promises.
Yeah, leave the tools to the professionals.
Next up, we have the heated eyelash curler. This, I feel like it didn't help me curl my lashes any more than they were already curled, and when I tried to use it to actually like lengthen them and straighten them out, it didn't do much there either.
Yeah, and I also think for curling your eyelashes, the type of mascara you use actually is more beneficial than this like warm, heated, plasticky wand.
Yeah, so what do you think, a boss or loss?
Sadly, this one is a big tech loss for me. The technology wasn't really there. It didn't really get heated, didn't really curl. So yeah, this one's a loss. What about you?
I agree, it's a loss. I think you're better off just using a regular eyelash curler, and if you really want it to hold, put some waterproof mascara on top. Bob's
You're
your
ready to
uncle.
go. Great idea, poor execution.
Get one thing straight, let's get one thing right. Are you mad at me? Are you picking another fight? I've been up all day, I've been up all night, going out my way, running around trying to make it right. Now I feel you slipping through my hands, 'cause you'd rather fight me than understand, and you'd rather cancel than make up plans. When you stand there looking at me, do you see a future with me? Gonna run, gonna run, gonna run, gonna run, gonna run to you. If you say you do, gonna run with you. Gonna run, gonna run, gonna run, gonna run, gonna run to you. If you say you do, see a future too.